Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Jamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prioritize events onto your pixel so that your pixel knows what you find valuable. So essentially, what a pixel does for your website, and don't worry about this, if you've been watching these videos, we've already set up your pixels by connecting your WordPress website onto Facebook. Facebook did that automatically. But going back to what a pixel does. So a pixel is a piece of code that's embedded onto your website, which tells Facebook where are Facebook users scrolling on your website. So let me not say Facebook, let me say Meta. So all the Meta products, so WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, all the users on that platform are being tracked by Meta. So what a pixel does is that once you embed a pixel onto your website, Facebook will let you know if any person who uses Meta products is on your website. So they're able to track who is on your website. This is useful information when you're trying to optimize for selling. So what we're going to do right now on our pixel is that we're going to prioritize events. So what is the most important event that we want to track? We obviously want to track the people who are checking out and giving us sales. So that's going to be priority number one. Maybe the second priority on our website would be add to cart. We want to know who is adding to our cart, and then that will help us track where we have to improve our website. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to go to the Meta Business Suite. So this is what you're going to have to type in the search tab, business.facebook.com, and it's going to take you to probably a new dashboard that you probably haven't seen if this is the first time you advertising through Facebook. So let us just go there. As you can see, now you are in a different world right now, but don't stress. So this is the other interface for businesses for Facebook. So if you've created your business manager account, this is what's going to look like. Your business page should be linked and your Instagram should be linked already, and then all your information should come in here. So what we want to do to set up our priorities for our pixel, and remember guys, your domain has to be verified for you to do this step. So make sure that you go watch the video that I put up in terms of how to verify your domain on Facebook, or just literally it should be the video before this in the course. So what we're going to do, we're going to click all tools, and this is going to show us all the capabilities and tools that we can interact with here and control on our business Meta Suite. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to our Events Manager. We're going to click Events Manager. Now we on the Events Manager overview page. Guys, please do not be intimidated, especially with this new interface. Just follow along and I promise you'll be fine. So on your right hand side, all we want to do is we're going to manage prioritized events so that it's a bit cut off here, but that's just Facebook. So once we click there, we're going to come back to the verification of your domain. So if your domain is verified, what you'll be able to do is click down there, and as you see, highest priority to lowest priority. So initiate checkout, add to cart, and view to cart. What we're going to do is we're going to click manage events, and we're going to say edit anywhere. So I've already done this, but I'm just showing you on a domain that's verified, and you'll be able to see all the priorities. So as you can see, now you choose the pixel, right? So the pixel's already been created for you, and it's been attached. So whatever the name of your website is, it should show up, and then you'll see the word pixel after it. So you're gonna click your pixel and you're gonna select it, right? And then what you're gonna do after you select the pixel, what you can do is that you can add more than 3 events. So I'm just gonna show you how to do this. So you go add events, right? So now I'm gonna choose the pixel that I wanna prioritize. I'm gonna click the next pixel. Obviously, you're gonna choose the pixel that is your pixel. Then you're gonna choose an event, right? So this is where we choose, right? The number one thing. So it ranks from the highest priority to the lowest priority. The highest priority for the information that we want to track is initiate checkout. Okay, so we're gonna scroll. So we're gonna click initiate checkout, right? Or more importantly than initiate checkout is purchase. So we're gonna select purchase. So once we've selected purchase, we go maybe value optimization. So once you've made more than 30 sales or you've had your pixel on, you'll be able to optimize for here. But what we're going to do is we're going to drag this to the top because we want purchase to be the number one thing that we track. All right. And then after someone purchase, we want initiate checkouts. Then let's see what other priorities we can add here. So what we basically imagine that your pixel is a piece of AI that tells your website and Facebook which users or which people or which users of Facebook would be interested in your products. And so when we're spending our marketing dollars or our marketing money, when we have a pixel attached, it will directly tell Facebook and say, please only target people who are interested in purchasing my product. Please only target people who are interested in initiating checkout. So also what's very interesting about this is that, let's say for instance, someone sees your ad on Instagram or Facebook and they come onto your website, but they only view content. Now, because we have the pixel there, Facebook will be able to see like, okay, this user who came onto the website was only viewing content, right? So when we're doing our second ads to convert them, we can literally make an ad that says warm lead ads, target people who only viewed our content. So we'll be able to target people specifically. Let's say, okay, cool, people came to our store and then for some reason they added to cart, but they didn't want to buy from us. So besides sending them like an email, giving them a discount, we can again use Facebook to create an ad for them and we target them specifically. So based on all these events, we are able to move people up the funnel or down the funnel, and we are able to optimize our business. So let's see what other events that we can add here. And yeah, and I know this could sound very confusing, but I promise you, this is literally how marketing works, especially online. If you don't have a pixel on your website, you're basically just spending money on advertising and not getting a return for it. So make sure you set this up. What I'll probably do right now is add payment information. Right, so literally purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, um, and I'll put this over here above add to cart. So the closer someone is to buying your product, that's how we're gonna do. So viewing content is not a high priority. In fact, we want to market to people that we know are going to purchase. All right. And then the second thing should be people who are close to purchasing, like they literally added their payment information, but they just didn't click pay. And then we want people who said initiate checkout. So a step before people initiating the payment information, and then the step before that is add to cart. So these are all the events that we want to add. And once you added these events, you're just going to click apply. And then as you can see, all the changes for ad sets in one account. So don't worry about this get into detail in the coming videos of what ad sets are and why this information might change that, but it will make sense for you later. So we go, yes, I confirm these changes, and then boom, your events in your pixel, and everything should be fine. Thank you.